visualize it as Treemap. And I have no idea if it'll work. Let's try.
Well, look at that.
Would you look at that? It worked. It worked. Holy moly. And there's got tooltips too. Are you kidding me?
It was actually from Harvard. It's the Atlas of Economic Complexity.
Oh, wow. They got some nice stuff there. Beautiful tree map.
I was using this because, like, as a Canadian, we just got slammed with, not to bring politics into this, but like we just got slammed with the tariffs. So I wanted to see like a trade between the US and Canada.
Yeah, I had the same idea. And I actually started working on it, but I couldn't find any good data because I wanted to understand, ask the question, tariffs on what specifically? Like what is it that is being traded between or imported from Canada? And how does that break down? Can we see that in here? Is there a way to look
You
at that?
actually can, yes, right here. I mean, you can use a different kind of
Oh,
visual,
exporter.
but if you just yeah, you just pick Canada and US, right?
Yeah. Wow. Let's try it. So Canada, United States. And I wonder how recent it gets. Yeah,
I
this
think yeah,
22.
yeah. You're only gonna get the past like you're gonna it's gonna be for economic data usually like a year and a half behind.
Right. Yeah, that's too bad because I want to see how it's. I guess it won't change too much over the course of 2 years, but I do want up to date information.
Hmm.
Wow, this is nice. Whoa. Okay, so the tariffs that were recently imposed will impact all of this
Hmm.
at 25%, right? So petroleum. But then the question is, of all the petrol, see, I want to have another like view of this, like of all the places where petroleum, oils, crude are being imported from, what percentage is coming from Canada? That's what
Right.
I would be curious to see that view or that angle as well. But this is really interesting, and the tooltips are pretty nice. Was it wood sawn lengthwise? 9 billion. This is nice. I've been wanting to get a good tree map example in VizHub. I wonder, can we get the data out of this? Does that work? Download data? CSV? No
Oh, there
way.
you go.
No way. Oh, that's sweet. All right, well, can we visualize this real quick? Can I just like copy this? Let's do some live coding. See if this thing even works. So we kind of get the data. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, because this is public data, make a new gist, which is Canada to US imports. Data.csv. Oh, it did work. Although I don't think that's CSV. Was that tabs? Oh, that's pretty close. Let's make it data TSV. And then I should just say where this comes from. This would be so cool if we could get something like this to show up right now. And I want the data story to be better for VizHub too. Like right now, it's a little painful to have to upload it to GitHub Gist. Like it should work well in VizHub. So that's one of the things I want to fix. But anyway, we have this URL. Now check this out. Where's my fork? So this is my fork. Now, let's see. Let's see if this works. I'm just starting with this scatter plot. I'm saying change it to pull the data from this URL. And then with the AI, it doesn't know what's inside. So I have to say sample content, and then I'll just copy like the first couple rows and put it in the code fence. And visualize it as tree map with D3. And I have no idea if it'll work. Let's try.
See what
Submit.
happens.
But this is the kind of thing that I want to be working. And we could build up a nice interface, like drag and drop your CSV, uh, select from visualization type. But just with raw prompting, it's amazing what it can do already.
Yeah, I'm pretty like I'm really really. I mean, like I've done some C sharp programming. I'm definitely not like an 80s 90s programmer. There's people who whatever been doing it since the Bronze Age. But even from my history, it just blows me away how fast this AI stuff can get coding done. Well, look at that.
Would you look at that? It worked. It worked. Holy moly. And there's got tool depths too. Are you kidding me? Holy moly. So, and it looks about similar to this, doesn't it? Where did it go? If we look at these side by side, I mean, uh, see, the tool surprises me too at how good it is. Like it feels like this is not supposed to be so easy. like,
Yeah, yeah, it's
like I'm doing something illegal or something. you know what I mean?
yeah,
But there it is, wood sawn lengthwise. It's in the same place as the other one, although it rearranged after I resized it. But hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. I can't believe it.